But now it's okay. Yeah, great.
Hmm. Already has started from my side. No worry about it.
Yes. Now I'm able to see, and this video really can see is being recorded. So glad to see you
Yes.
again on the video call.
Hmm. Nice to meet you, man, again. Yeah, in this platform after long times. How have you been so far?
2 years. Yeah, yeah. My day has been so far good. Tell me, what about you? Where have you been nowadays?
Yeah, I have been doing great so far, but I cannot say that there is a special things happening with me to I share with you, but everything as a usual going on. Nothing special to say about it, okay? But I'm trying to get a good things, so it is going well. By God grace, let's see. Because whenever we try to get something like new things, extra things, special things, so sometimes nothing happens according our plan. You know that. So very difficult to say that I'm going to do tomorrow. Sure, we cannot 100% sure about it. Am I right?
Yes, yes. I totally agree with you. I know
Hmm.
because everything is not our hand. Okay.
Got it. Yeah,
So
it is.
okay.
Got it.
Definitely
Hmm.
keep it. Whatever you are doing, keep it. Definitely, one day we can achieve. And believe in yourself. Definitely.
That's amazing.
When you live, we are not going to achieve. You try to achieve, again and again, again and again. Suppose if
Hmm.
you want anything and if you ask anything, from the God, definitely one day God will give you.
Hmm. Exactly, it is. Exactly, it is.
And it is true because I know everything because I was in India and I had bad circumstances. So at that time, I wanted to come the Kuwait because I was suffer, 100 rupees, 50 rupees. But I tried a lot to
Hmm.
come Kuwait. Finally, I have come.
Finally, you have come. Okay, got it, man. That's amazing. That's amazing. Amazing.
So yeah, so first of all, I would say it's been, I think, uh, Holi. Holi. How did you celebrate Holi?
How? Can you repeat once again your questions? I didn't get it.
I think Holi was celebrated in on the can say on 12th March. I'm not wrong.
Not 12th. Not 12th. Yeah, you are the wrong. And it was the 14th. Yeah, 14 March.
Okay, so
Month
Holi
of the
was
14
celebrated
March. Yeah.
on 14th March. So how did you celebrate it? How did you celebrate Holi?
Okay, so let me tell you how I celebrated Holi festival. From my side, it is. I would say that personally, with honest, I would say that like it is. It was not good because so Holi, not for only talking about the Holi. I do not celebrate any kind of festival just because of this is my this is my like personal this is my personal opinion and this is my personal I would say that choice
Mhm.
because since I started like doing studies since I started like a preparation preparing some competitive examinations so since from that time to so far I have not like celebrated any kind of festival because I do concentrate on my studies because I'm thinking there will be Holi there will be any kind of festival after getting something in my life so I started like giving my time 110% to do what I wanted to do you know now a single
Mhm.
days is very important for me not only single days a single second or minute it's very important for me to do and effort 100% and if I will get no once I will take the any examinations no there will be holy every day for me so I will be celebrate whole entire my life till the I will dead.
Yes, yes, I'm totally agree with you. After achieving anything, definitely, you can celebrate. You can say festival every day.
Exactly, it is. I hope you are getting it. What I'm saying here.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So, where are you nowadays? Are you in hometown and other place?
No. I'm not at my hometowns. Before Holi or
Mm.
after 2 or 3 days Holi, I was at my home. But After Holi, just I came to my old place where I used to live, where I used to study. So I came to western part of Uttar Pradesh just because of my educations as well as I was just working here. So yeah, I came to my old place.
Mm. When I talked with you first time, so you had long hair and you got your hair cut. Okay.
Yeah, I got
So
at it. Yeah. Mm.
yeah, earlier you looked like very dangerous. Okay, but now
Mm.
you are look like very simple person.
Mm. Okay, so when I had long hair, that time my face was very different, isn't it? Am I right?
Yeah, you look like very dangerous man. Okay,
Okay, I
I
was look like no, I was look
yeah
like no because
yeah yeah you look like very dangerous, and I was understanding you that you are a very can say successful person. Okay,
mm,
you are a captain,
mm, mm-hmm.
and you
But
never
it is
after
actually I have been since I have been born, my childhood. I have been very aggressive person. I have been very aggressive boys, So from my family also told me to you are the very aggressive from your childhood. So now I trying to be like little bit, to be a good happier because it's very difficult for me to smile. Whenever I talk to the others, I feel like they feel like, oh, what's going on, man? Why you are the serious? What's going? So I have been born since I have been born from that time to so far. I have been like very aggressive, very aggressive. My thoughts, my way of the expressions, my exterior bodies is very aggressive. But now it's okay. I learned like it is not good indicate to others. So be happy and just try to live, try to stay in the present. So do
Mhm.
your level best because nothing in our hand. Let them happen what God has decided.
Yes, yes, really, really, definitely. Don't worry. Don't try to lose your hope. Everything will you be given by your God. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah,
So where are you sitting? I hope. I think you are sitting in your room.
yeah, exactly. I'm at my room. So yeah, I used to. You can say that I'm at my room. So I have time, and so yeah, exactly. And so just I want to ask one questions more. So like, do you practice? Do you practice like all like audio calls with the people like now? This is the video, but do you practice audio call as well? How many hours or how many like a week, once a week, or how many minute or hours you do practice? To enhancing the skills, languages.
See, once in a blue, I practice an audio call. Okay.
Mm,
And most of the time, I practice on the video call because I am very comfortable to talk on video call.
mm-hmm.
When I talk video call, I am asked lots of questions and I reply very soon. So I feel very comfortable.
Mm,
Okay. So I am a working person. Being a working person, when I get time, I try to talk. I try to practice more and more. So
okay.
I spend 2 hours, 1 hour in a day.
Mm.
I did not leave my journey when I started my learning English. Even I don't want to leave my journey because whether you do something or not, time will pass. Okay, if you try to procrastinate that okay, I will do practice tomorrow, I will do practice tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow will never come to you.
Mm.
I try to practice every single day deliberately.
Mm.
Once in a while, I read a book. Okay, once in a blue I stand in front of mirror and I try to practice. Once in a blue I record myself that
Once in a blue, once in a blue. What do they mean by once in a blue or once a in so like one a week, once a week?
once in a blue, sometimes we can say.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, that's amazing. That's new quite for me. I had never heard about it.
Yeah, it is
Mm-hmm.
advanced. It is
So
not one.
there is okay, got it. Now I got it. And so there is like a specific not there is not there is no specific times you do practice, but at least you try to be a consistent in this platform to having conversation with the peoples. Am I right?
I
It.
specific time because I am working person, and now what
Got it.
Ramadan is going on, and I'm Muslim. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm not
Mm-hmm.
getting that much time to practice.
Got
But
it.
if 2 session, 3 session, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and improve my English level. I want to
Got
develop
it.
the skills.
Mm. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. So I'm very glad to hear that. Like you are the very consistent to having the your spoken English, to having the communicate with the people, to try to enhance it since you started from that time to so far. That's amazing. Glad to know that. Like it's make like people it's make people like motivate others. It's make like people motivate because a lot of people are started their journey, they give up. They say that, oh my god, I am not improving. Like it is not easy, man. Like to be nothing going to happen overnight. Good thing, a good work take a lot of times. You repeat again and again, then it will comes to you, result will come out after doing practice. Because there is one sentence, like practice make progress. If you will do practice, automatically word comes to you. Nothing happens overnight, so keep practicing. But people started like their journey 2 or 3 months, 4 months, they start to giving up. They thought, oh my god, I'm not improving it. So they start to, oh my god. So I think learning skill or learning time will not end. It's a very lifelong process, so we cannot say that, oh, I have learned it. No, nobody can say that.
We have
So
to understand.
you are the example of front, like you are the example front of them. And you still you are doing it. So just that's amazing. I'm really admiring. I'm admiring you. You are the great ones to do. You still, at least you are trying to be a consistency in this platform. Know that.
Yeah, thank you for compliment me. Okay,
Hmm.
really, people understand that English is a very easy. It is piece of cake. I will learn English within three
Hmm.
months, 4 months. But it is not
Hmm.
short. It is a long journey. We have to spend lots of time. First, we have to
Exactly.
understand. When
Exactly. Have you observed it?
you,
Have you observed it? A YouTuber also. There is a lot of YouTubers. I found a lot of YouTubers. They are saying, they are the advertising their YouTube channels. Hey, come on, man. If you want to learn English language, you can learn within 45 days. If you want to learn English language, come on in my channel. You will learn language like within a 10 days or 20 days or 45 days or 2 months, 60 days, 65 days. Hey, come on, man. What you are talking about? It is possible to learn languages within a 45 days. They are
no,
advertising their channels, that too much. They are the advertising. I can say that very, you know.
they are advertising, but they are telling a lie, and they make thumbnail like this, and they must be
Hmm.
must be telling a lie. No one can teach you English within a 3 month, within a 1 year, within a 6 month. Okay,
Hmm. They're lying, they're lying.
they
They are
are yes,
they
they are
are
lying.
making they are making people fool. They are making people fool that.
Actually, what they do, at least they can say they motivate the people.
Hmm.
They motivate the people. I'm YouTuber. If I say that you are not going to learn English within a 1 year, so definitely we will not come to learn English, right? If I say within a 6 month, within a month you can learn English, definitely you will come to teach, to learn English. So at least sometimes you can say they motivate the person.
Exactly, it is. But it is no instead going to say a lot of lying. You have to say that true. What is the truth? Truth will hurt you, but truth will give you path. Truth will give you a good directions. Truth will make you understand. No, it is not easy to learn within a 45 days or within 3 months. It takes a lot of times, that. But you need to be consistent. You need to be understand very deeply. Consistency matters a lot. And just we consistence, that not it is not easy to 45 days or 45 days or 50 days or 2 months or 3 months. So I think we must should tell them it is language. It's totally depend on the people to people. It's totally depend on to person how much he or she are efforting, how much is they doing effort, 100%, how much doing effort, how much he's doing practice of it. It's a totally depend on the person to persons. Getting
Hmm.
it?
Right, right. Yeah, when we had the first conversation, I think it has been 1 year, right?
Exactly. Exactly,
And
it is.
we have been here for last 1 year, and sometimes we feel that, oh,
Hmm.
my English is not good. I'm not good at grammar. I'm not good at English, right? And
Hmm.
next year
Hmm.
we are doing practice. Okay,
Got it.
we have to practice some more. If you want to go ahead, so we have to practice some more and more.
Exactly, it is, man.
Sometimes,
Hmm.
I feel dejected and demoralized. That, oh, my English is not good. I'm not able to speak. I'm not able
Hmm.
to communicate with the people. Okay,
Hmm.
so it
Hmm.
happens. It is journey.
Yeah,
Okay,
it is happening. It is happen with anyone. With
you fail
anyone.
to get up. You fail. Try to get up. One day, definitely within a some days. Okay, definitely your English will be improved, and you will be able to speak English with anyone. I have seen the many people, they have been learning English for the many years, 15 years, and they have
Hmm.
achieved. They are making money from the YouTube. They are making money from the Instagram and Facebook just because